Fusion Mobile, quality e-learning experience on the go.
Writing algorithms. How is this done? Well, there are standard algorithm symbols. For example, as you can see here, this is the standard symbol for start and stop. That is an oval shape which represents the start point or the end point. The arrow shape, as you can see here, is a line connector that shows the relationship between any other two shapes. We also see another shape here, that is the input and output shape. This is a parallelogram and it represents input or output, both of them. We also see a process shape, that is a rectangle. This rectangle represents a process, that is an addition, a subtraction, a multiplication, or any other process. And we now see here a decision symbol. This decision symbol is a rhombus or a diamond, and it indicates decision, that is a yes or no decision. Let us now look at an example. For example, let's say that we want to check if AVG is equals to x plus y plus z all divided by 3. How do we do this? As we are writing down the algorithm, we are going to start with this. Start, and then we'll determine the first number. We give it a name, A. Secondly, we determine the second number. We can call it B. After that, we determine the third number. We call it C. We also determine the number of integers and call it D. When we find the sum of A and B and C, we can call that X. We can divide X by D and call it result. Lastly, we can now present the result to the user. And finally, we end the program. This is a standard algorithm. As you can see, it is a step-by-step process of how something is done. For example, supposing we say AVG is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3, all divided by 3. Yes, we can say the answer is 6. But how do we get to 6? That is the algorithm behind it. This is now a standard flowchart. A flowchart starts with a start sign, the rhombus. After that, as you see in the start sign here, then it goes down with the arrow to a process. The process here, which is a rectangle, says select a shareware. We see the arrow again. The arrow now leads to another rectangle, another process that says download the software. After that, it now leads to a diamond, a rhombus that says, are you satisfied with software? Remember, this is a decision symbol. As you can see, the decision can either be yes or no. If the decision is no, it goes back again to select a shareware and takes the turn again. But if the decision is yes, it now goes over to this next process that says buy software, and after that it ends again with a rhombus sign that says finish.